my name's Jed Haw, riding number 272. We're riding today at Washbrook Farm. I'm riding a 2016 Honda CRF 450. I first started riding in 2012, I believe, and I've been riding for ever since, really, most weekends.
And what bike did you start on?
I started out on a 2012 Honda CRF 250, and after that I moved up to, I had 2 years on the 250 and then moved up to the CRF 450s. I'm a car salesman, I have my own garage, so I sell cars for a living. Yeah, I love doing it, love meeting new people and you know, speaking to people. Hobbies, motocross takes up a lot of my time. Some weeks I'm out riding, you know, every day. Some weeks I'll ride 4 or 5 days a week, 3 times a week, down to sort of 1 day a week. At the minute, you know, I'm sort of one day a week because my little boy's taking up a lot of my time. Washbrook's always a good track. I do like Washbrook, always well prepped, and people are really nice and real good atmosphere. This year hasn't really been that good. I had a lot of bad luck at the beginning of the year. Was all ready for the race season. Unfortunately, I got bitten by a dog, which resulted in a big injury in my right forearm, and kept me out of the first couple of meetings. So this year has been a waste, if you like. But there's always next year to come back and show people what I can do.
I walk alone, I'm so afraid. I take a breath, I think no more, I go blind. I see no sense to be this way. I walk alone, I'm so afraid. I take a breath, I think no more, I go blind.
Yeah, I've got a 2-year-old son. He's motorbike mad. He's just got his first offset, and he's improving really well. He's out every single day. I'm out every single day with him, teaching him the basics, letting him have some fun as well. Really proud. Melts my heart. So he's doing really well, and I'm really happy with that. Yeah, and last of all, just a big thanks to all my friends and family who's helped me and supported me through my motocross career. And last of all, a big thanks to all my sponsors, Padley Builders, Greenline Tunings, Smart Move, most of all TRM. A lot of help and support from you throughout my motocross career, and I just want to tell you that I really appreciate it. Thanks for everything you've done for me. And RIP Tom Patterson.